Maintain building security with Urmet self-resetting emergency exit systems. Recommended by Secured by Design, our self-resetting exit systems are built from vandal-resistant stainless steel in an exit green finish. But what makes our self-resetting exit systems different from traditional emergency break glass units? Once the glass is broken, traditional emergency break glass units leave the door unlocked for extended periods of time, until they're manually reset by the building management company, a vulnerability that is often abused. In contrast, Urmet exit systems have a self-resetting emergency escape button. A single press unlocks the door for an adjustable time, 1, 6, 12 or 24 minutes, with the exit system automatically resetting and relocking the door after the time has passed, with no manual reset or site visit required. Maintain building security and save money on call-out charges with Urmet self-resetting emergency exit systems.